Hey guys, I know we were going to miss our demo for this week, so I just wanted to spend a few minutes going through this so that when you do go out into the lab at the end of this week and then obviously next week, that you kind of know what's going on. So today I'm going to show you how to check tread depth. I'm also going to go over greasing, steering and suspension, and then checking steering and suspension. So there'll be a few different videos that you can watch, and then you'll be able to catch your demos. So pretty easy for tread depth. I know some of you are like, do I check it with a coin? No, you don't check it with a coin. They actually make a specific gauge, and I'll kind of walk it up to the camera. Hopefully you can see it pretty good. But what it is you can see the silver end on that, and that will actually insert to the tread of the tire, and then the black base will set on the top of the tire. Okay, and then if you look at this, there's actually a gauge on here. Tread depth is measured in 30 of an inch. So if you can think of a fraction, whatever it is, it's going to be /32. So it could be 1/32 or 1/32, 8/32. The minimum amount for tread depth, according to law, is 2/32. So some of you are probably giggling on that. If you have bald tires, you can absolutely get fined for it. And if you look at what 2/32 is, sorry, I'll try and make it so that it focuses. 2/32, you can see the little silver portion there. That's how much it is. So not very much at all. There we go. Just a little bit of tread would be left on there, right? And obviously 0/32, we have no tread left, right? So what I'll do is I'll walk up to the tire. I'll show you how to check this. But when you do check it, what's going to happen, so for example, if I was at 2/32, the 2, and hopefully I can get this to focus a little bit. Maybe not, but anyways, the 2 on the scale here, and our scale is going to be on this silver barrel portion, is actually going to, I just want to see if I can focus this. There we go. Do you see the 2/32 there? All right, that is lined up with the barrel, and that's how I know how much tread is left. So I'm going to walk this up to our tire here so that hopefully you can kind of see what I'm talking about. Bear with me, thank you. So as I walk this up, I am going to find the portion of the tire that has the least amount of tread, right? So if you have a tire that's unevenly worn, find the tire with the least amount, all right? And I'm going to push this all the way down, right? I'm going to insert the silver portion of the tread, and I'm just going to zoom in here a little bit and hopefully make it a little bit easier for you all to see in the tread, and then I am just going to push down until the black part of the tool bottoms out, and then I will look at my number. And if I look at this, I have about 9/32. See if I can get this to focus. Go back to 1x here. So there is your 9/32. Okay, you can see at the top here, that's where it says 30 seconds, and then right there is my 9. Okay, so you want that line to line up. So even if I had, for example, 16/32, right, that barrel's going to line up with the line on the 30-second scale, right? So if you want this check off, what you would do is you would go around to each individual tire and then write down what you have on your sheet, and then you will get the check off for doing so. I normally keep this tool somewhere out in the shop. It might be in my pocket, it might be on the table out there. Just ask me for it and we can get you hooked up. It takes about 5 seconds to do this skill check off. Okay, so that is checking tread depth.